This is a pretty simple recipe. I already prepared the ingredients ahead of time. Here's 2 cups frozen peas, some smashed garlic and some fresh sage leaves that I washed, and then some onions that I chopped, fresh onions. That would be, let me go ahead and get this down here. That was 1 medium brown onion, finely chopped. So let's go ahead and melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Oh, I need to get butter. I think I'm going to use, you know what? Hold on a minute. Okay, I just put in some, approximately 2 tablespoons. I put more like a tablespoon and a half of butter because I don't want to get too fat here. Okay, I melted the butter in a medium frying pan. It's about like medium heat over medium-high heat. Add the onion. Okay. Yeah, let me, I'm holding the camera with one hand. Okay, there's the onion. And cook stirring for 3 minutes or until softened. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm using Irish butter that I got at Walmart. Yeah, it's pretty softened right now. Lower the heat a bit. And now it says to add garlic and sage. So I washed this sage. It said 4 leaves, and some of the leaves were small, and I think sage will give it a nice flavor, so I put in 5. Some of the leaves were small. Let's see here. Okay. Cook stirring for 30 seconds or until fragrant. I'm holding the camera with one hand while I'm doing this. The sage is apparently supposed to make this dish because it's called sage peas, right? So, yeah, it's pretty fragrant. Okay, let's go ahead for about 30 seconds. Yeah. I think I'm ready for the next step now. Okay, the next step is reduce heat to medium. Well, I already did that. Okay. Add peas. Let me go ahead and add the peas. Hold on. I gotta put this camera down. Okay, I added the peas and I'm stirring it all around. It looks like it's going to be really good. And what I'm going to do is cover this, and because that's what the recipe says. Put this over here for right now, and I'm going to cover this and then stir occasionally, and then when the frozen peas are cooked, then I'll just season it with salt and pepper, and I'll let you know. I basically made this recipe because I had fresh sage that I needed to use up. And I'm going to tell you, fresh sage lasts a long time in the refrigerator. I could probably make this again if I really like it. I still have some sage I need to use up. I used sage for a previous recipe and I didn't want to waste it. And yeah, so this looks like it's going to be good. Okay, I just added some salt and pepper. It looks good. Let me go ahead and test it out. Okay, here it is. Let's try it. I put a little bit of salt in it. It looks good. I love onions too. This is really good. It's delicious. It's delicious. Very good. Really good. So I'll be posting this at my website in a PDF file. Yeah, my website is down. Apparently the servers got bombed by the automaton Jesuits. And so you'll be getting the recipe in a PDF file, which is actually a better way to get a recipe anyway. So enjoy!
In a world of secrets, where darkness reigns, there's a warrior rising, breaking free from chains. She's Gail Schuler, her heart pure and strong, with the power of love, she'll right the world's wrongs. Yeah! She's the first, a passionate crusader. Stand by side of thunder.